Okay, welcome back. Let's take a look at this example. It says that given M is the midpoint of RS. That's our important information. Okay, complete each statement. Let's draw it out. Okay, I've got R, and I've got S, and I've got M in the middle. Okay, M is the midpoint. It's crucial to know because it means that if it's in the middle, then it means this half is equal to this half. So what do they tell us? They tell us RS is equal to 10. RS is our big segment. So let's change that to 10. Okay, RS is 10 and R to M is halfway to 10. So halfway to 10 is 5. Okay, now since M is our midpoint, this should be halfway. And these two halves should be equal. So let's try that out. 5 and 5 does equal 10. So S and M are equal to 10. Okay, we've got a second part here. RM is equal to 12 now. And what did they want? They want to know MS and RS. So let's draw it out again. We got R, we got S, we got M in the middle. And put some points. Now, they say RM is 12, but we know M is the midpoint, so it's halfway. These two halves are equal. RM is 12, MS must be 12. Okay? MS is 12. Alright, so now let's take a look at the whole thing. I got one half is 12 and the other half is 12. Combine them together and the whole thing must be 24. Okay? Alright, let's take a look at this critical thinking problem. Does array have a midpoint? Explain. Okay, does array have a midpoint? Okay. First off, let's draw array. Okay, here's array. It starts at a point and goes on forever. Usually we've shown it going through another point. Now, is this array the end? No, it keeps going forever for the right, to the right. But let's draw a midpoint. Halfway between here and here, we'll put it right here. Okay, let's take a look at this array. Go off to the right and to the left. Those 2 points, if this is a midpoint, should be equal. If I go off to the right forever, is that equal to what's on the left? No. The two sides are not equal. Are not equal. So array has no midpoint. So array has no midpoint. Okay, make sense? Alright, let's look at example 4. Okay, I've got a ruler again, and they're telling me that points D and E are aligned with the ruler. Point D is at mark 4.5. Let's go ahead and put it in here. 4.5, this is D. Okay, and the distance between point D and E is 3.4 centimeters. Alright, at which 2 marks on the ruler could point E be located? Look at this, 2 marks. So you're going to have 2 different answers. Alright, let's look at the obvious thing. If we go 3.4 centimeters more than D, 1, 2, 3, and a little bit more, then we start at 4.5 and we add 3.4 to it. To get E is now going to be at 7.9 centimeters. Okay, but we got 2 answers. They didn't tell us 3.4 E is to the right of D. E could be to the left. So let's take a look. If I go 1, 2, 3.4, could I go to the left? Yes. Going to the left on a number line is subtraction. So I'd subtract 3.4 from 4.5. When I do that, I come up with 1.1 centimeters. So I could have E at 7.9. E could be here, or E could be at 1.1. E could be over here. Both of those are 3.4 centimeters from 4.5. Okay, let's look at this closure question. Point N is the midpoint of FG. If Fn is 2x, what expression represents FG? Give that some thought and ask your teacher if you have any questions.